Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line at the top and write Creative. Now search. And you should install this application what's called Creative. Now open it. Allow. Now you can sign in into your account, or you can also create your account, but I'm going to skip it. And that's it. In the next video we'll show you how to add your device to the application, so if you don't know how, you can watch that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!